I'm about to drop the hammer and dispense some indiscriminate justice.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chris SAIN coming at you today. We're gonna dominate the market like we always do by buying and selling risky stocks in taxable accounts, incurring large taxable events. Anyway, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about future fintech.
Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. Did you like my imitation of Chris SAIN, the total loser degenerate that pumps garbage stocks on YouTube? Well, if you did like that, consider liking and subscribing, because I love taking a dump all over his face, because he is a scumbag, a loser, and he gives god-awful investment advice. Now, one of his worst stonks that he has talked about on his channel, because I really believe he finds the worst stocks and then just pumps them all on his channel, and does absolutely no research. He just goes on Wall Street bets. I guess that counts as research. But one of the stocks he talked about, which was Future Fintech, FTFT, I believe the ticker symbol is called. Now, I looked into this company a little bit, and it's just really sketchy. And we're going to go through the company, we're going to look at their website, we're going to look at their financial statements, and I'm going to show you why this company is complete and utter trash, and is a horrible place to put your money, and that it only takes like 5 seconds of research to understand that. This proves right here that Chris SAIN is a total moron, a loser and a degenerate. And it blows my mind that he has almost 500,000 subscribers. What is wrong with YouTube? What is going on in this crazy, insane world? So let's dive into the country. The company, not the country. About Future Fintech. It is a leading blockchain technology R&D and application company incorporated in Florida. It includes a blockchain-based online shopping mall, an incubator for blockchain-based application projects, a digital payment system, and a cross-border e-commerce platform. No, girl. Now, I really think when these people designed the name of this company, they used some buzzwords to really attract attention. First, they used the word future. Now, we all know if you have future in your name, or if you're a futuristic technology company, you must be a good buy, and investors will just throw their money at you because it says future. And on top of that, it says fintech, another buzzword that is just attracting tons of money. This kind of sounds like the .com era, where you just put a .com behind your name and you get all this money thrown at you because it's the future and it's fintech. So anyway, I really think they did that when they designed this company. But let's go ahead and look at their investor presentation. And it trades on the NASDAQ under FTFT. Okay, that's, if you ever see that, don't freaking buy it. So okay, so they have some different products, and they talk about basically what they do. They're a global key shared mall cloud chain mall. So it's some kind of mall where it incorporates blockchain and it like gives out rewards to people, and it somehow makes transactions on the mall, you know, more God, how do I say it? I don't know what it does. It's just blockchain, okay? So just because it has blockchain, I guess it must be a good investment. All right, then it has decon, technical services for blockchain-based assets, and no girl. I guess they're trying to make money off influencers trying to sell crap to girls. That might actually be a pretty big money-making operation because girls love to spend money. So, okay. So the funny thing is that they're all into this blockchain. They're all into this fintech. They're all about the future. But the funny thing is, they didn't used to do this. They didn't used to be or have anything to do with technology. Do you want to know what their business was? Do you really want to know what they used to do? Let's go look at their 10K. And you're going to laugh to see what they did and what they're trying to become. So Future Fintech is a holding company in Florida, historically engaged in the production and sale of fruit juice concentrates, fruit purees and fruit juices, fruit beverages, and the People's Republic of China. So they're going from a freaking fruit company, and they're doing this radical transformation, and they're going to be all about blockchain and fintech and blah, 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 blah. Do you know how freaking sketchy this sounds? Think about it. They make fruit juice, and then all of a sudden they're this radical, amazing, leading fintech, futuristic blockchain company? Come on, do you think they have any expertise in that field? This is freaking ridiculous. Now, when I was searching around their website, let's see, I was trying to click on some of their links, right? So they have this like nice talent asset management. This is some of their operations, some of their projects they do. So I clicked on nice talent asset management. Oh, under renovation. I go to Global Key Shared Mall. This is their e-commerce platform that uses blockchain, so it must be so amazing. So I click on that. Okay, this freaks me out. I'm not going to this. Look at this. Your connection is not private. Attackers might be able to steal your information. Why would I go there? Okay, that's freaking sketchy. Chain World Cyberspace. Digital asset application incubator that provides business incubation and acceleration services. All right, so I see some computers. I see some pictures. I don't know what they do. I don't know if they try to help other companies develop blockchain stuff. Like, what is this? It's just some pictures. This shows me nothing. Wow, I'm learning so much. No girl. Am I going to get in trouble for, like, looking at young people on this? No girl life. Not secure. What is this? What is this? Do you see this, ladies and gentlemen? This is so freaking sketchy. So you click on the picture, it gives you that. Okay, this is freaking me out. I'm done with this. And then you have Decon, Blockchain Development Project. So let's click on that. Decon, so it takes you to another link on the website. A more secure way to keep Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. Wow, cryptocurrency, that's one of my favorite assets. So that's that. So they have all these futuristic plans. They used to make freaking fruit juice, and then all of a sudden they're a technology company. Let's go look at their financial statements. Let's look at their last quarterly report to see what amazing, delicious revenues they're generating. So we have Future Fintech's condensed consolidated statement of operations for the 3 months ended March 31st, 2021. Look at their revenue over 3 months. That is literally $6,613. And they made a gross profit of $590. So over the last 3 months, I, Christopher Bell, made more money in, well, I would even call that net income because that's my after-tax pay, than this freaking company did, okay? This is ridiculous. So they made $590 gross profit, and then they had selling administrative expenses of $1 million, selling expenses of $12,000, and, oh, a recovery for the provision of doubtful debts. So I guess they suck at estimating bad debt expense. Total operating expenses. So they had a loss from operations of $1.6 million. Wow. I can see that. $6,000 literally of revenue. And then we go to the statement of cash flows. Let me guess. They're going to be hemorrhaging money, net cash used in operating activities, discontinued operations. Okay, that's got to be their freaking fruit crap. And then net cash used in operating activities, continued operations, $71,000. Now, they also issued they collected $35 million in cash from issuing stock. So just looking at these numbers, you know right off the bat, if they're not making any money, like they literally made $6,000 in revenue, they're going to have to issue stock like crazy, and they're going to have to dilute the current shareholders. And then on top of that, you go to their website, and they're trying to sell you that they used to be a fruit company, and then all of a sudden they're this leading blockchain e-commerce, Leviathan. It just seems like a bunch of garbage. And then you go click on the links, and I feel like I'm about to get arrested by the FBI, especially with this no girl thing. It's just ridiculous. So I don't know what Chris SAIN could have possibly seen in this freaking stock. What is so appealing about this? I literally think that he just saw future in fintech, and he was like, it must be a buy because it's the future. And it has FTFT, which is really cool. It just repeats itself twice. So I would not recommend you buy this stock. This is freaking trash. It's sketchy as hell. I'm not convinced that a company that used to make fruit juice is going to be able to suddenly become this amazing blockchain e-commerce giant, especially when they have all these competitors both in China and around the globe. So yeah, good job, Chris SAIN. I'm really proud of you. You're a freaking idiot. Anyway, that's it. Don't buy this freaking trash. Don't trade it. Don't invest in it. Sketchy as hell. And if Chris SAIN recommends it, you shouldn't be touching it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and you have a wonderful, delicious day.